Here at Somerset County Council, we have taken extra steps to make sure sensitive information shared via email can be accessed more securely. If you receive an email from us that contains sensitive information, it will be encrypted. What that means is, you'll have to take some extra steps before viewing the content of the email. For this tutorial, I will be using Gmail, but the process should be similar for other email platforms like Outlook, AOL, and iOS Mail. Let's say you're accessing your emails on your desktop computer and you use Gmail. The email should appear in your inbox as normal. Clicking on Read the Message will open it in a new tab. If you wanted to access the email by requesting a one-time passcode, simply click on Sign in with a one-time passcode, and the code will be emailed to you. The email containing your passcode should be in your inbox within a few seconds. Highlight the code, right-click and copy it. Please note, the passcode will expire after 15 minutes, so you'll have to request a new one if you run out of time. Also, make sure you only request a passcode once. If you receive multiple passcodes, use the most recent one. Go back to the other tab containing your passcode field and paste or enter your code. After you've entered the code, click Continue. The email will appear in the same tab, and you should be able to view the contents of the message as well as reply. But what if you were using Gmail on your Android phone and wanted to look at the email? The email should appear in your inbox as normal. Much like how it is displayed on desktop, there should be a button that says Read the Message. On the Android device I'm currently using, the next page loads in-app. But since I will need to access my inbox later, I'm going to go ahead and open this page on my device's internet browser, like so. Now that this page has loaded in a separate tab, I can tab out and return to the Gmail inbox to retrieve the code. It may have a different logo above the tab like it does here, but that's just because the email loaded in another client. Press backspace a couple of times and you should return to your inbox. An email containing the code should appear in your inbox. Open the email and highlight and copy the code, or take a note of it. Tab out and return to the internet browser the email is open in. Paste or type the code into the field and press Continue. The encrypted email will load on screen. You should be able to view its content and reply. Say you wanted to look at the email on your iPad. How could you go about doing that? The email should arrive in your inbox as normal. Press Read the Message and you will be prompted to select a browser to open the message in. Use Google Chrome or another browser to open the message, as opening the message using Safari will open it in the same window and you will not be able to get back to your inbox. So, choose Google Chrome or another browser and the message will open in a separate tab. Once it is loaded in the browser, press Sign in with a one-time passcode. Return to Gmail and the passcode should be sent to you shortly. Open the message and highlight the passcode by holding down on the screen until the copy option appears. Return to the browser tab and paste the code into the field by holding down on screen and pressing Paste. Press on the blue arrow and the message should load in the same tab.